As if going through Shark Week isn't bad enough already, do you have acne accompanying your period too? These helpful tips and DIYs will not only help prevent those pesky pimples from cropping up, but will also help treat active acne and keep your skin looking its best during that time of the month. A few days before your period is when you might notice new acne starting to appear. This occurs because of a rapid spike in your hormone levels. Estrogen changes the fluid balance of your skin, and progesterone closes your pores and increases its sebum and oil production under the surface of your skin. These changes are the #1 cause for oily skin and breakouts. To fight this, remember to cleanse your face twice a day and use these helpful DIYs to get you through it. If you have oily or combination skin, then this mask and toner combination is here to save the day. A clay or charcoal-based face mask will work best to extract impurities from deep within your pores and leave you feeling squeaky clean and reduce any chance of breakouts. Apple cider vinegar is one of the most beloved ingredients in the beauty world because of its many benefits. Mix it with an equal amount of water and wipe it over your face using a cotton pad to balance your pH level and achieve perfect skin. If your skin is normal to dry, then this mask and this toner will become your go-to routine. Oatmeal gently exfoliates your skin while bananas hydrate it, and honey zaps away the possibility of pimples. Rose water clears your skin without dehydrating it. So if you have dry skin, this is the ultimate toner for you. During your period, those pesky hormones we talked about are at an all-time low, making your skin dull, lifeless, and slightly dehydrated. And to top it all off, you may have some active acne as well. Start by relaxing with a hot, damp towel over your face, as the steam will unclog your pores and the moisture will hydrate and brighten your skin. This delicious smelling mask will not only make you feel awake and alert, but has acne eliminating properties as well. And the best part is that it can be customized depending on your skin type. The coffee and cocoa powder awaken and brighten your skin, while cinnamon fights acne. Honey zaps away all bacteria since it has antibacterial properties. Mix it with water if you have oily skin or coconut oil if you have dry skin to smooth it into the perfect consistency. In addition to these life-saving ingredients, remember that exercise combats PMS and cramps and gives your skin that healthy glow from within. Cutting back on sugars, carbs, and caffeine on those visits from Aunt Flo will help prevent bloating and keep your body happy from inside and out. Incorporate these ingredients and lifestyle changes into your week, and we're sure you'll get one step closer to achieving those perfect skin goals. Yes, even during that time of the month. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.